Turkish Martha Stewart, keep gun up in her skirt. Been trapping with dessert, gone poppy from that dirt. Rebellious young Turk, con basics with a Burke. Showing off her inverse twerk, at dark she come a lurk. Like beer, icky ooch, dirt, beer, icky ooch.
Yo, I am ready to unbox this crazy package. I got it from India on eBay, and can you guess what it is? Eyeballs! Prosthetic eyeballs, or so they say. So, I don't know if you've noticed, but I have a lot of prosthetic eyeball jewelry. This is like 100 years old. This is my eyeball ring. Like my eyeball tattoo. Anyways, I got some more eyeball jewelry like this one, as well as just eyeballs at the Atlas Obscura, what is it called? It's not antiquities, that's like a word you would say in Egypt, but they have this market like once a year in winter, and I got some jewelry from that, and sorry, this necklace is like bothering me. This is actually Tunisian Berber, is it Berber or Tuareg now? I'm trying to remember. I think it might actually be Tuareg, but I'm getting it backwards right now. It's Bedouin though, like a nomadic tribe from North Africa. Anyways, back to the eyeballs, okay? So we are gonna open this. It's crazy. This package came from India and there's literally like a guy's face on it. I'll do it up close so you can see. But yeah, there's like a whole custom slip. It came from Haryana, India, I guess, wherever that is. We can look on a map. Okay, I guess I need scissors for sure. Eyeballs, here we come. Like wrapped in a very interesting way. Okay. So I have this thing where like I really don't like touching cardboard. That's why I'm grimacing. I don't know if it's something. I don't know what it is, but cardboard, the touch of it freaks me out. So bear with me. Okay. Okay. This is like really. I think I gave a lower bid, I'll have to check, and I bought it for like $100 or less than $100. There's supposed to be a whole bunch of eyeballs in here. Okay, whoa. I didn't expect, there's like this cute little fan, it's a little extra, but cute little box. It smells kind of weird though, to be honest. It smells a little musty. I don't think I'm gonna keep it due to the smell, but who knows? Okay, are you ready? I'm excited. Oh my god! Oh wait. This is really not bad. I was worried. These some of them seem a little bit cheaper than like some of the other ones I have. Like this. But you know what? Not bad for, let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means there's like 25 of them. And it's pretty cool. Pretty good value, especially considering what the lady who I bought this from is now selling these rings for like $500 to $1,500, which is, they're nice, but it's kind of a lot. I rarely pay that much for jewelry. Wait, what is on my ring? It's like some kind of, I don't know, probably dried lotion. Now you see it. Anyways, I have a project I want to do with my turban that I'm going to be using some eyeballs for, as well as other things I want to stick them on. So I'll show you that in a second. Okay, so the project I want to do that inspired, well, it didn't inspire all this because I had a bunch of the eyeballs, but I forgot about them, and I discovered them in a little box, and I decided I wanted to attach them to this turban that I love wearing. And so my friend, my fashion designer friend Giselle, who used to design for Armani and did like wedding dresses for Kuwaiti and Emirati royalty. She suggested getting some, like, what are these called? They're not talismans, they're brooches, like vintage, and putting stuff on them. So I think on the front, let me see, I'm trying to remember. What was I thinking? Yeah, so on the front, I believe we're gonna go like this, and I'm gonna glue this on. But also I'm gonna take this and put it on the back, so it's like eyes on the back of my head. I want a little wild buying brooches. Promise I'm not a hoarder, maybe a little. And I got like this one. I'm gonna do this, so because they're brooches, they all have safety pins on the back, so I can just take it off. And then yeah, so I was thinking, which one? Like this maybe we'll put in. We'll figure it out. Anyways, what I'm curious is, how does the quality of this compared to that? So like, I would say, in my humble opinion, one of this smells weird. One of the nicest ones I bought was like this. So I don't know, I'd say like, here, let's look.
She come alert like beer, icky ooch.
I mean, this is a different color, but like, I feel like this is fairly realistic. But some of these are definitely not that realistic. Like, this does not look real to me. This looks cheesy, but it's kind of fun. It looks very like hand painted on. This one's pretty. This one's creepy, but I'll use it for some, but it looks gross. Like, this is someone with some serious health problems, if that's your prosthetic eye. This is kind of cute. I feel like these two, they kind of match. So actually, my like OCD stuff will do that. This one, I mean, doesn't have like enough color in it. It looks cheap to me. This one too, but like honestly, some of these, the lady is selling some of the prosthetic eye stuff now for hundreds of dollars. This whole thing was like $99 or less. So pretty good. If you guys want to see how I negotiate on eBay using game theory and other economic principles, because I used to be an economist, by the way, comment below and I'll try to make a video on that, showing some real examples. This one's like so dark, it looks definitely fake, but I would say like overall pretty good quality. I give it like a B for quality, but for value in terms of price, this is at like, and I'll say an A minus. It was probably an A. Like, we got a lot of stuff. Some of them do look a little cheap to me, but you know, it's good for the purpose. Like, I could put this all over clothes and not feel guilty, but if I compare it to like my eye ring quality, I'd say quality is like a C compared to my eye ring, but that one is pretty fancy. Oh, I really need to polish it and not get lotion all over it. But that's it for this unboxing. Be sure to watch me unbox more videos of crazy stuff I buy online or from haggling and bazaars. If you want to do that, do subscribe to this channel. There's several playlists also that have, I think I have an unboxing playlist. And if you're interested in watching me make art like this berazzling of this turban with the brooch and like this prosthetic eye, subscribe. I have like this whole berazzling playlist. And if you're interested in hearing like life business advice from me, we got that. Just check out the channel. I won't keep shamelessly promoting, but hope you enjoyed, and be sure to razzle dazzle.